super chunky double Dutch passion twist by your girl T.
If you want to style, so let's talk about this. I did the double in each section here. Keeps it, looks juicy. I love the juicy look. The juicy look is what gives it that health. Like, let's go jump rope. Hey, so I'm about to do this hair. If you can see, I think I'm doing pretty. I don't know. I just watched it yesterday, so I'm about to get ready and do some twist. I was gonna say mini, but I don't think I want to do that mini. But anyway, I got this 360 mirror. I've been waiting on it. Y'all don't understand. I wanted to do my hair. Today is Tuesday, so it's late because I've been waiting on this to come in delivery, with Amazon. But one of the things that really upset me was the fact that I wanted to film it, but I had already washed my hair on Sunday. So I had to literally wait 2 days. My hair has been like this, looking like, a little crazy. Got a little hang time though. So, y'all bear with me. Because I'm finna sit on the floor. I'm finna chill. I'm finna put me a Netflix on. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I may get y'all on this side. That way y'all can see more of what I'm doing. So it won't be looking like crazy. But I'm finna enjoy myself because I want to get this hair right on together. Watch me work.
Hey, so I was so excited to get my 360 mirror, and but I'm gonna tell you, I struggled a little bit. It wasn't really more of the neck work, but I could honestly say it was kind of more of my eyeballs. I was literally trying to break my eyeball to go in the back of my brain just to kind of see in the back of my head. And to be honest, is this 360 or 270? I mean, 360 divided by 4. I'm missing another mirror or something because at 360 goes all the way around. Or is it just focusing on me being able to see all the way around? Well, I don't know. I'd rather crawl inside of the mirror and be able to see myself in the middle and then go look behind my head. Okay, I'm getting too deep. Let's focus on the hairstyle. So, this 360 mirror, y'all tell me y'all experience on it because to be honest, it's okay. It's okay. It gets the job done. But I'm a little bit of a perfectionist and I like my parts to be like kind of A1 crispy style. And I gotta let go of that because this 4C hair really don't like smooth styles. It's gonna do its thing after about 2 weeks anyway. So sometimes I be kind of wondering, do I need all of this or I don't know. Let's focus on this style, okay? Okay, let's bring it on back. Let me show you these products that you're gonna need to get started. You're gonna need the Water Wave brand by Zury. I love this hair. It just gives you that juicy look. You're gonna also need the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. I'm trying to show you here. It's kind of hard. My camera's acting a little funny. Okay, so you know what I mean. I'll put all of this in the description. You're also going to need the Shine and Jam. This is the number 8. This hold is the bomb. Okay, you're gonna need you some bands. This is gonna be great for making sure that you're separating the hair. Those rubber bands, rat tail comb. I forgot to tell y'all the good old Blue Magic conditioning cream, okay? Hair dress. That's what it's really called, okay? Gotta dress the hair up and make it real smooth and silky for the process. And of course, the crochet needle, okay? We need the, well, crochet hook. We're not crocheting, okay? Literally, it's a crochet style, of course. So you're gonna need the medium to large, maybe a medium. I would say the medium or large because that purple one is going to get the right size to grasp the hair to slide underneath those rubber bands so you don't get any snagging, any pulling, or anything on your hair for this protective style. So, here, as you can see, I'm going to walk you through this process. I decided to do double twist in each box. So, I wanted to be a little different. Yes, Okay, so I don't know. I just wanted it to have a little bit more volume, so I decided to do that because I didn't want the twist to be so fat where it was just gonna look ridiculous. So if you can see, I have like 4 strands in each twist. So, well, technically it's not 4 strands. It's really 2 strands, but when you place it inside of the box, you're going to twist. So technically you're twisting like 4 strands together, if that makes sense. So really you just need like two sections, 2 pieces of hair for each section, and then that makes one twist. I have double twist in each box, so I repeated the same step for each one, as you can see. And I just twisted it all the way to the bottom. I am not a hairstylist. I am not a professional. Again, disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist. I'm not a professional. I just care about my hair. I have gone to so many braiding salons, okay? I don't want to just say Africans because I mean, it is what it is. They are the pros when it comes they are the gurus when it comes to braiding, right? Cuz they get it so neat, it just looks flawless, it looks beautiful. But that look has had me, I thought I had alopecia at least 4 to 5 times in my life. Yeah, thought. But hence my hair always grew back. So I started even making my own concoctions to grow it back. I've lost hair due to cancer. I've lost my hair so many times, and it's so crazy because this 4C is strong. It comes back, but then I just have to be careful. Like, hey, what am I doing? I started evaluating what was going on, and I'm like, let me do my research. I need to go ahead and try some of these protective styles so that I can stop, damaging my hair or allowing others to damage my hair. And hey, this is working for me. It takes a while for my hair to grow. My hair has gone all the way from my back, falling out, start all over, hence do it again. So you're gonna watch this journey with me, guys. I love this style. I love how it just looks in the end. But if you're seeing here, I'm just doubling the next strands, 2 strands. You see how I'm adding the 2 strands in here? And then I'm just gonna go ahead and separate my hair. Okay, you see this? Okay, take note, take note. Okay, okay. And you're gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of the shine gel, okay? And then you're going to place it on your strand so it can kind of smooth into and blend seamlessly into those extensions. And then you're going to just start your twist, okay? There's always a technique that everybody has to make it nice and juicy, but I'm gonna tell you, with this hair, it's kind of hard. You can twist it all the way down. I kind of do a little twist a little bit and then look in my mirror just to see, hey, is it smooth? If you don't care about the smoothness, it doesn't matter. But this hair has to go in a certain direction. If it doesn't go in that direction, you're not going to get the smooth twist. You're going to get kind of like a, just kind of rough. I won't say rough, but it's going to be not as smooth. What I'm saying is that I wasn't going for the boho passion style twist. I was just going for just some nice, precise, chunky twist. You see, I'm all excited because I'm getting closer to the end. The last part, did a little LLC method. So, get it juicy. Juicy fruit. Love it. I wanted to even capture a clip of me working out with this hairstyle because a lot of people think that, oh, it's going to be cute after the first, 2 days or so. But no, this style actually looks great the entire time. I've done this more than once, and I promise you, I get compliments sometimes when it's right around the time for me to take it down. And I'm like, are you serious? Like, it's time for me to take my hair down. They're like, oh, really? It's so cute. So, I mean, like as you can see right here, I'm working out. It may look like, oh, okay, it doesn't look all together, but you know how it is when you work out after you get a good sweat, wash your face. Um, and hey, I'm gonna even show you how I look after this, okay? So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you right now. And I'm gonna show you that I can work out in this style as well, because that's what I just did. I actually just finished working out so that I can show you that the style still looks fresh, still looks good, even after a real good sweat. I can do this style and keep it for nearly almost 4 to 6 weeks. I know that seems like a long time, but the older this style gets, the more natural it actually looks. And I simply love it. And if you have to retwist it, it's a breeze. You just undo and twist. Unlike what you could do with a braid, you would have to probably take it all the way down because it's going to unravel the ends. But that doesn't happen with this. The product with the Cream of Nature twisting cream on here holds great with this hair, and it just refreshes it just like it was almost like a human hair. So it's kind of like, I don't know, it's just mind blowing that this is synthetic hair, but it's a really great quality of synthetic hair. Okay, now this just wraps up our super chunky double Dutch passion twist. Ooh, I like that name. I think that's what I'm gonna make my title. Okay, so go ahead and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be hopefully posting within every 2 weeks or even sooner than that. So I don't know what's next. I'm thinking I'm gonna do mini twists, the actual mini that I was wanting to not do in the beginning. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that next time, mini twist, and I'm gonna show you my inspiration on that. All right, so stay tuned. Peace, love, and no hair grease. Well, a little blue magic is okay.
So, and then here go my mama. She looking at me because she's like, your melanin is glowing, isn't it, mama? Isn't it glowing? I know. So.